This is verse 11 of the 24th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus continuing to give warnings to the disciples who will soon be apostles and facing the various threats that are being described by Jesus. He's talked in general terms earlier about nations rising against nations. Now he's narrowing the focus to the particular threats that will befall those who are the followers and representatives of Christ. Telling them, in addition to other warnings, kai, the connective poloi. This is from the adjective. It means much or many. Here used in the plural to modify pseudo-prophetai. Of course, the word for false, pseudo, prophets, and so many false prophets. Agrathesontai. This is from agero, I rise up. It's in the passive. So it's the third person plural future passive indicative. Many false prophets will be raised up, almost implying they're being raised up by some malicious force, which may be the subtle sense of what Jesus wants to get across there. Many false prophets will be raised up, kai planesusen, from planao, to lead astray. Of course, the planet was viewed as a heavenly body that would kind of go in its own course. And from that we get this notion of being led astray in the Greek term here. So many false prophets will be raised up and will lead astray. Polus, many, same as we had there. So the warning here is that though the apostles will be speaking legitimately for Christ, there's going to be many others claiming to have authority that they don't have, and many are going to be seduced by those messages. A warning, of course, that was particularly pertinent in the early days of the Christian movement after Jesus had departed, but it continues to be a perennial warning to all of God's people through all of history.